Unfortunately, my glitchy corner trick don't work anymore. I used to be able to get my head stuck in the ceiling. And I can't, so I just always sit in this chair. So yeah, in case you guys are wondering, I don't really play a lot of Roblox because there's like not that many good games that I could play. So the name is Rose Citizens, but as far as I know, Rose Citizens is not very good. And I was already pretty well in that game when I actually played it. Oh, might be interesting. Yeah, Tatum got glitched to like $1 million. Is this too much? Ooh, this is gonna be good.
I think glitches.
But like, I really don't want to start over just for the sake of YouTube videos. Plus, I decided to do Blockstar because it's like something original and like everybody plays Roblox. But yeah, I really am excited. So of course we're gonna need 2 outrageous looking bears. Of course, I know which one. Let's see what I'm going for. Maybe the braid.
Green.
Hold on. Just join me. Okay. There's a specific outfit I'm looking for. Okay, it looks like they don't have it, so we're gonna go for this craziness. Or, no, this. That's good. That's good with me. And now we need some outrageous face, and I think I know the perfect one. My favorite is full-on beard face. And some big red glasses.
I don't know if you have enough yet.
No? Alright. I think we look pretty spectacular, guys. Maybe some cockroaches on my arms. Because of course. I think we look pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah, maybe red hair.
You
You should have a clown face.
No, I like the beard. I'm done early, so... Ooh, wait, I have an idea.
You
Let's
don't have any
have
more space.
absurd colored skin.
Blue.
An alien.
No, blue.
Blue. Dabbity-dabbity. Wait. Oh, that was close.
What are you gonna say?
Hi. That should be good.
It's gonna bleep that out.
Exactly. I don't know. It'll be funny though. I like this music. First up is Mania. Okay.
That looks good.
Let me see. 1 star for 2 pairs of sunglasses, I think.
I think she has headphones and sunglasses.
5 stars. Good luck to y'all. Oh.
Good game to you.
Okay. 3 stars for the big hat. Hi. I is me. Me is I. Okay, everybody, so it looks like my friend Carson from the YouTube channel Fortnite Caleb and Carson joined, and you should definitely go subscribe to her. Hey, Carson. Oh, well, we can't say her name, but 2 stars for the wings.
Say hey, Jeff.
Yeah, we call her Jeff. Hi, Jeff. Too much? Well, no. This is fantasticness. I love the Anubis head. Hi, Jeff. Hey, Fred. I also go by Fred sometimes, so. 1 star for wings. Poo. Oh, I thought you said poo.
It says
Everyone say ahoy to my subs. Is this too much? I hate it when people spell too wrong. I'm sorry. But no, it's not too much. But 1 star.
See that
For
you're
the- 'cause I like
recording
the
for
show.
the YouTubes. Say who wants a shout out.
Recording for YouTube, y'all. TYSMGG.
Say who wants a shout out.
Yeet. Yeet. Okay, Carson needs to stop texting me. I'm just like, yeet.
Well, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video.
No, it's not. We gotta do at least 1 more round. We'll probably cut one of the beginning rounds out. Yeah, yeet.
There
Is
she
that
is.
Carson?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. Hoi.
There she is.
I told my subs you're on YouTube too. Wink your face. Is it Casper the ghost? Do you want to, she wants to FaceTime me. Okay, while recording. Sorry. Let's just talk in chat. Wait, what's the theme? I'm so ignorant. Whoa, that's tacky. Ooh, okay.
Let's be an angry bird.
Heck yes.
I know how to be an angry bird.
An angry bird in a bikini. No.
Okay, so get a big red skirt first.
Oh, good idea.
There is an angry bird face. So big red skirt,
That's genius.
then a red shirt. Just find it. Oh, wait, no. Wait, go right there. Where that red shirt. Okay, now go get an angry bird face and get some
And I'll be like,
bird
go!
hair.
That's it, guys. The title of this video is going to be The Human Angry Bird. If I can find it.
Right there.
No. Not cat ears. I'm so beautiful. Guys, this is the face of beauty right here. I should have kept the cat ears.
No, get big red hair.
An afro, maybe?
I don't think they have afros.
Do they have afros over here? They do.
It also comes with a beard.
Oh,
I love
yes,
it. I love it.
Yes, right now. I need to screenshot this. This is too good. Oh, frick.
Hurry, go back.
Dang it. No. Okay.
Oh, join Carson.
Yeah, I can still do it. Okay. Join game. I have time. I pressed the wrong button. I did not screenshot that.
You guys know we did it.
Yeah, you guys saw it. So, we still got it on camera. Yes, we have 70 seconds.
Hurry, get the face in the skirt. Don't get the skirt first, hurry. I think if we hurry, we have time.
Let me just get the face. I'll just grab this one over here.
Hurry.
I need to get the face one over here.
Hurry, run. We know where it is.
Okay.
Now get the afro.
I think it'll be fine. Maybe I'll be an Angry Bird with green skin.
No. Bet they don't have red.
They don't.
It's okay. You're good.
Let me see if
Don't
I
have
can
a hat.
find something really tacky. Just.
I think you're good. You're done.
I'll be like cacao. Cacao. That's a type of chocolate. Okay, I need a freaking screenshot. Wait.
I suggest not doing it.
She's copying my afro look. Oh, snap.
Hide.
Oh, we have 5 seconds left. Cacao. And then we'll do the cross because I'm super savage.
No, do E-dance. If you E-dance now, you can
Nah.
still be doing it out there. Mine is weird.
Carson, stop texting. Skinny Bone 101. So what exactly is the definition of tacky? Tackiness, 1 star because of the ears. That's kind of tacky. IDK what tacky means. Sorry, I know, right? Ooh.
Bunny ears.
Is it tacky? Plastic win because y'all don't win. Who's plastic again? 1 star for bunny ears. Next up is A. Gabby. Okay, that's like really gorgeous.
So 1 star?
Carson's just like rude. I thought she said buds at first because I couldn't see the whole thing. J Bay 1234. Hey, I think that's a really good name. Okay, that is pretty tacky. She's a mermaid with puppy dog face, and bunny ears. That's pretty tacky.
I like hers. We'll give her 5
Carson.
stars no matter what.
It was Carson. Carson
stars.
copied me. Okay, I'm gonna give her 3.
Because she copied.
Yes.
I don't think she
The best
copied
friend
me.
cheating system. She copied my hair. But it's okay because she's my friend. But the best friend cheating system is not going to work today. But we will use that next time, probably. That's pretty tacky. It's your boy Miku. The hair. Every time I see blue pigtails, man. Cacao. Wait till I get to the end. Yes. She'd be like, lol. The afro. I love it because it's got a mustache. Am I last? I think I was last. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. JJ, y'all. She just disappeared. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. I was 5th place. Who cares? It was super funny. All right. Okay, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I probably won't do Roblox videos as much as I do Blockstar because everybody has done Roblox to death, especially Fashion Famous. And I kind of want to be a little bit different. So, yeah, go ahead, Tam.
Huge thanks to Fortnite, Caleb, and Carson. Definitely
For
go
joining
check
us
them
for
out.
this video.
Yes.
I'd leave a link in the description if I knew how, but I don't.
We're
So,
noobs.